All right, you can do this. You got this. This is going to be fun. No, it isn't. You're going to be horrible. Don't listen to that. You're going to be great. All right? We're going to work hard. You're going to go out there and people are going to be excited. No, they're not. You're going to suck. You're going to fail. Don't listen. Okay? You got this. You can do this. I believe in you. I don't. You should have been a gardener, right? Plants don't judge you. Don't listen to that, all right? They're gonna judge you either way. You can do this. Come on, this is gonna be great for you. This is gonna ruin your career. No one likes you. Have you ever heard these kind of voices in your head? This is what was going through my mind before delivering a big presentation. Oh, I had a lot of self-doubt, a lot of anxiety, and I was afraid. But did I do it anyway? Yes, I did. I felt the fear and I did it anyways. And I think it went well. And afterwards, I felt really proud of myself. So if you're having this mental battle, I encourage you to feel the fear and do it anyways. Write something horrible in the comments.